Hey everybody, it's Tyler here with Elevated Mind Disc Golf, bringing you the first ever Mind's Eye disc review and comparison. And today we're going to be testing out the Thought Space Athletics Mantra. We're going to be bringing it in three plastics today. We got the Aura, as well as the Ethos, and then lastly we're going to be testing out their Glow. Now we're going to be seeing how these different plastics compare to one another. The flight numbers on this is 96 -21. So we're going to see how they fly out on hyzer, how they do on flat, and how they do on anhyzer. Let's check it out. All right, let's go over these discs now. Aura, I think as you saw, I think it really flies true to that 6 glide. Even on hyzer, it wants to hold that hyzer line, but it still just wants to keep pushing. And on flat, you get that ever subtle just kind of turnover with a nice solid finish. And then when you rip it on anhyzer, it really gets that nice big S curve I think everybody's looking for. And then the Ethos, I did find it to be a little less stable than that Aura. It does still kind of want to hold the hyzer line if you put it on that nice strong hyzer, but I feel like it also flies pretty true to that 6 glide. Then on flat, I do see that you do kind of get a little more turnover on it. And then especially on anhyzer, you get a real hard just kind of turnover that wants to hold that turnover line. And then lastly, the Glow plastic, I did find this one to be the most stable out of the bunch. And I think if you go back and look, especially on hyzer, it really holds that hyzer line and finishes pretty hard. And especially coming out flat, you get a nice strong finish with it. But I would say that this is probably my favorite disc to throw those big turnover shots because you do get that reliable finish out of it. So I do believe that this mantra, it does belong in everyone's bag, and I definitely think it'll elevate everyone's game. Thanks for tuning in.